Baby Skye, having to hold her in the towel because she still tries to fly from me. She's not got used to being held yet, as you can see. But she's doing really good. Ain't you, baby? So I'm doing really good. She loves to bite. She just nibbles a little bit. So I nibble just a tad. Just enough to let Mama know that she's holding me too hard. There's a good baby. Yes, sir, yes. There's a good baby. As you can see, she's fighting it. But she'll get used to it. She'll get used to it. Yeah, her will. Her get used to it. Yeah. Her get used to it.